Okay, this is a quick little tutorial on how to sign up for Zoom. Zoom is just a really popular free video chat service. It's secure. Lots of schools have been using this as a way to still see each other virtually. So we thought we would try to get everyone set up on it in hopes that maybe we can do at least like a little weekly meeting on Fridays. It'd be really fun for everybody to see each other. So you're going to go to zoom.us. It's free for everyone right now, so just click on sign up. It's free. You can also do this on your phone. You can download the app. It's just Zoom, and it'll be the same kind of process, but then you would just do the video on your phone. This obviously is for your computer, if you're going to use your computer. So you would enter your email address. I'm already signed up, so once you log in, okay, well, if I knew my password, that would be helpful. Okay. So since I already have an account, it will have you download the Zoom application onto your computer, and it will be a little icon, and you just click on that. Anyone can make a meeting, so Miss Allen and I will send out the link prior to a meeting, and what will happen is you'll click on the link and it'll ask you if you want to join. Let's see if I can do a little fake meeting here. It will probably prompt you with a password, so we'll make sure that we get everyone that password just so that we can ensure it's only us in the room, no one else. You'll want to turn your computer audio on, and then of course there is a little video icon at the bottom of the screen. You want to make sure that that's turned on so that we can all see each other's faces. Yeah, and that's pretty much it. So let us know if you have any problems getting onto this, if you don't have access to it. We'd really, really like everyone to be able to do this, to try and connect. So let us know. Thanks.